Alright. We're supposed to be going to get Dairy Queen. We stopped at Snippy J's grandma's house. And he said, we got a package and I'll give you something of it. But I think he's fucking with me. Are you serious?
Yeah, it's yours, dude.
No, it's not.
I want you to throw that other one away before you cut a finger off or lose an eye. Seriously,
You're lying to me.
Go home, cut the cord on the other one and toss it.
You're fucking with me.
No, seriously.
You really bought this for me?
People give stuff away that is only good. Do you understand?
Alright, now I know where you're going with this.
Yeah.
You're lying to me.
No, seriously.
You really bought this for me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the other one is not safe.
They're ridiculous. It's an angle grinder.
This one comes with a case. I don't even have cases for my 12 angle grinders I own.
No,
So
I'm putting this in the beginning of the next video.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
So sweet. But
I thought he was fucking with me.
No, you got to throw the other one away though. Like just snip the cord and toss it.
Okay, the story behind this little angle grinder is he watched one of my videos the other day, and he asked me if that was the angle grinder I was using that he gave me a long time ago. And the reason he gave me it is because the lock, what is that button called? The locking mechanism so you can take the wheel off was broke. You would turn it on and the wheel would be locked, so the motor would just start binding up. So he got me a you're funny, bro. Welcome back to another episode on WWP. We are in the Cummins. I don't know, maybe let's just say 7-8 months ago. I don't know, I can't remember exactly what time, but posted a video when I first got my Venom power tires. And you know, I've had a lot of questions on them, you know, and there's one that I haven't really been able to answer a lot, and it was how they do in the snow. So my personal opinion, driving down the road, they do great. You know, they're good tires. I mean, you're going uphill, you got a heavy truck, whatever, you know, they want to spin a lot, so I usually put it in 4-wheel depending on where I'm at. But today we're actually going to do a little bit of like kind of just messing around in the trails. There's a little bit of deeper snow where I'm going right now, so just wanted to give you guys a good video on how they do in the snow. I was trying to get to posting once or twice a week. Once for sure, twice a week was a goal, but lately I've been so freaking busy with work. So I'm gonna hook the GoPro up like on the bumper or something so you guys can kind of see the tires as we go through. And I got my little boy with me today, Luke. We're hanging out, having fun. Gonna do some boy shit today. Yeah, we're gonna go test these things out and kind of see how they do. I'm kind of nervous for just for myself. I haven't really been in too much deep snow in them yet. Trying not to drive the truck in the winter as much as possible, but kind of hard to see. But that car hauler right there is probably gonna end up being ours. I'm gonna use it to go get probably the Jeep here soon. So I'm gonna find a spot for this GoPro and then we'll get to it. lost you guys. I think I ran you over too. So we started off in two-wheel drive coming out here, and right when we came in here, kind of a little small hill coming up. We got some guy coming to talk to us right now. Hold on. Alright, so I know I've talked quite a bit in this video. My personal opinion on them, I think they do pretty good in the snow for being an all-terrain tire. Obviously, I've had mud tires, and I've had all kinds of different tires, and I've been up north through the trails, I've been through the snow, and I think that they would do honestly just fine with about wherever I want to go with them. So if you're putting them on like a two-wheel drive truck, I wouldn't plan on like going down obviously any trails or doing any off-roading or anything with them. Maybe if you're just going down like a sand trail or something, yeah, it's probably fine. But or like a dirt trail or whatever, or something, you know, nothing with like serious mud or anything like that. Four-wheel drive, I don't think you'd have a problem going anywhere you want. They do pretty good, and I think it's a good price. A lot of people say don't buy cheap off-brand tires. You know, everybody looks at like cheap things as bad things. You know, sometimes it's too good to be true, and you know, sometimes you're gonna get lucky with them, and I like them. I'm probably gonna drop my truck to like a 3-inch BDS lift. I've been looking at one, and if I do that, I'm gonna buy some 33 1350s or 1450s, and I'm buying those tires again for sure, unless I want to go with the street look, more of like a street tire, like a stretch street tire. But I'm not really a big fan of that, so I don't think I will. But if you like the video, smash the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I have quite a few things coming up for this truck. We're gonna do a bed swap, probably do the suspension, and I'm actually looking at lift pumps and injectors right now. So I know the trans isn't gonna hold it or anything, but I kind of want to. A lot of people put a trans in first and then start modding it, you know, and doing all the extra horsepower stuff. But I don't want to like save up all this money for a trans and then put it into it and then, you know, wait longer down the road to be able to enjoy the truck. So I'm just gonna kind of do it. I'm gonna do it backwards, honestly. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, turn the bell on, notification bell, make sure that's on, so that way you guys can see the upcoming video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.